To remove the access panel, first loosen the captured Torx head screw at the rear of the panel that connects the panel to the PC. Grasp the handle on the panel and pull towards the back of the PC to release the panel. Pull the panel away from the PC. The access panel has several tabs on its top, bottom, and leading edges, which fit into slots. And over the front lip of the PC. There is also a small slot on the rear of the panel that slides over a security loop on the rear of the PC. To reattach the panel, align the tabs on the panel over their corresponding slots on the PC. Then slide the panel forward to lock it into position. Tighten the captured Torx head screw to secure the panel to the PC.